Remote data entry and transcription earns $750 a week from your couch. Tired of the commute? Sick of jobs that drain your energy or don't fit your schedule? What if I told you there's a way to potentially earn $750 every single week, right from the comfort of your own couch, even if you have zero experience? For many of us, traditional jobs just aren't feasible. Whether it's physical limitations, busy study schedules, or just wanting more flexibility, finding a real work-from-home opportunity can feel impossible. Today, I'm breaking down two incredibly accessible online gigs: remote data entry and transcription. These are perfect if you're looking for flexible hours, minimal physical demand, and a legitimate path to a consistent income from home. What is data entry and transcription? Simply put, data entry is transferring information from one format to another. Think taking handwritten notes and typing them into a spreadsheet, or moving customer details from an old system to a new one. It's about accuracy and efficiency. Transcription is converting audio or video recordings into written text. This could be doctor's notes, legal proceedings, interviews, podcasts, or even YouTube videos like this one. Both are primarily typing-based, require a good internet connection, and are 100% remote. No heavy lifting, no commuting, often very flexible hours. Why these are great for you? If you live with a disability, the flexibility here is huge. You set your own hours, work from your most comfortable setup, and manage your energy levels. No physically demanding tasks, no inaccessible workplaces. Students, this is perfect for earning extra cash around classes. Young adults, it's a fantastic entry point into the remote work world, building valuable skills like attention to detail and speed without needing a degree or tons of experience. The best part? You truly don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. If you can type accurately, have decent grammar, and are reliable, you're halfway there. How to get started? What you need: a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, and a quiet space. Typing speed, accuracy. Practice your typing speed. Websites like Ratatype or Typing Club offer free lessons. Aim for at least 40 to 50 words per minute, but faster is always better. Grammar, punctuation, brush up on your grammar. Free tools like Grammarly can help, or quick online quizzes. Listening skills. For transcription, practice active listening. Even watching a TV show with captions and trying to type out what they re-sang can help. Freelance platforms. Start with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr. Create a compelling profile highlighting your attention to detail and reliability. Dedicated transcription sites. Look at sites like rev.com, Transcribe, GoTranscript. They often have quick tests you need to pass. Direct approach. Once you're confident, you can even approach small businesses directly who might need help digitizing records. Beginners might start lower. Perhaps $15 to $25 per hour for data entry, or per audio minute for transcription. As you get faster and build a reputation, $750 per week becomes very achievable. That's roughly 30 to 40 hours of work at entry-level rates, totally doable from home. Tips for success and sustainability. Use simple tools like Google Sheets or Notion to track your tasks and earnings. Always communicate professionally with clients. Set realistic daily goals. Even if you only have a few hours a day, consistency adds up. Listen to your body. Take breaks. This is your hustle on your terms. So, if you're looking for a legitimate, flexible way to earn $750 a week right from your couch, remote data entry and transcription are incredible starting points. No experience needed, just dedication and a willingness to learn. Are you ready to start your remote income journey? Hit the like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more work-from-home strategies. And let me know in the comments what is your biggest question about starting remote data entry or transcription. Check out more videos like this one at The Rural Hustle.